Welcome to Star Chat, the podcast where we dive into the latest and most fascinating news from the world of astronomy and space exploration. I'm your host, Carl, and I'm thrilled to have you joining us today. We've got an exciting show lined up for you, with stories that are out of this world, literally. From mysterious dead galaxies to exploding stars, we'll be covering it all. So grab a cup of your favorite cosmic coffee, sit back, and get ready to blast off into the unknown. First up, let's talk about a recent discovery made by astronomers using the James Webb Space Telescope. They've spotted a dead galaxy that stopped forming stars just 700 million years after the Big Bang. Yes, you heard that right. 700 million years after the birth of our universe, this galaxy had already reached the end of its star-forming life. This finding is sending shockwaves through the scientific community, as it challenges our current understanding of how galaxies evolve over time. But that's not all. We've also got news about a binary star system located just 150 light-years away from Earth. Two white dwarf stars are destined to collide in a spectacular explosion that will outshine the moon by 10 times. And the best part, this cosmic event is expected to happen in a mere 23 billion years, which is just around the corner in astronomical terms. We'll be delving deeper into these stories and more, so stay tuned for some mind-blowing conversations with experts in the field. From supernovae to cosmic dust, we'll be exploring the latest research and discoveries that are helping us better understand our universe. We'll be right back with more fascinating space news on Star Chat. Welcome back to Star Chat. As we continue our journey through the vast expanse of space and science, we find ourselves on the fascinating planet of Mars, where NASA's Perseverance rover has been exploring the rim of Jezero crater. Recently, the rover captured a remarkable scene: a Martian dust devil consuming a smaller one. This phenomenon is not only mesmerizing to watch, but it also provides valuable insights into the Martian atmosphere. Dust devils on Mars are formed by rising and rotating columns of warm air, which pick up dust as they go, reducing visibility in their immediate area. When two dust devils meet, they can either obliterate each other or merge, with the stronger one consuming the weaker. The largest dust devil recorded by Perseverance was approximately 210 feet wide, an impressive sight to behold. But why are dust devils important for Martian weather patterns? According to Katie Stack-Morgan, project scientist for the Perseverance rover, dust devils play a significant role in indicating atmospheric conditions, such as prevailing wind directions and speed. They are also responsible for about half the dust in the Martian atmosphere. By studying these whirlwinds, scientists can gain a better understanding of the red planet's weather patterns. The Perseverance rover has been imaging dust devils on many occasions since its landing in 2021. In fact, NASA's Viking orbiters first photographed Martian dust devils back in the 1970s, and subsequent missions, including Pathfinder and Curiosity, have also captured these swirling columns of air and dust. As we explore the Martian surface, we're not only learning about the planet's geology and atmosphere, but also about the potential for future human settlements. Which brings us to our next story: using moon dust to power lunar missions. Researchers have developed solar cells made from simulated moon dust, a breakthrough that could drastically reduce space exploration costs and provide sustainable energy for lunar bases. Imagine being able to harness the power of the moon's own resources to fuel our exploration of the cosmos. It's a tantalizing prospect, and one that could revolutionize the way we approach space travel. We'll be diving into this story in more detail soon, but for now, let's take a moment to appreciate the incredible advancements being made in space research. Stay tuned for our final story of the day, right here on Star Chat. Welcome back to Star Chat, dear listeners. As we conclude our journey through the cosmos today, I'd like to bring your attention to a pressing matter that affects us all: the preservation of our planet's most pristine skies. Located in the Atacama Desert in Chile, the European Southern Observatory's Paranal Observatory is renowned for its crystal-clear and dark skies, making it an ideal location for groundbreaking astronomical discoveries. As we gaze up at the starry expanse, It's essential to recognize the importance of protecting these fragile environments from human activities that could potentially harm them. A recent development has sparked concern among astronomers and conservationists alike. A proposed industrial complex, known as the AIDA project, threatens to disrupt the observatory's operations with devastating and irreversible impacts. Imagine being able to detect alien life in just hours, only to have that capability hindered by human actions. The extremely large telescope, currently under construction, is extremely sensitive to even the smallest vibrations, which could be impaired by the nearby wind turbines. Moreover, the increased light pollution would limit our ability to monitor asteroids that could pose a threat to our planet. As Itziar de Gregorio Monsalvo, a representative of ESO, so eloquently put it, with a brighter sky, we severely limit our ability to monitor asteroids that could cause damage to our planet. We build the largest and most powerful telescopes in the best place on Earth for astronomy to enable astronomers worldwide to see what no one has ever seen before. Light pollution from projects like AIDA doesn't just hinder research, it steals our shared view of the universe. The European Southern Observatory is not opposed to green energy projects, but rather advocates for responsible placement and consideration of these developments. As Director General Xavier Barcans emphasized, Chile should not have to make a choice between hosting the most powerful astronomical observatories and developing green energy projects. Both are declared strategic priorities by the country and are fully compatible, if the different facilities are located at sufficient distances from one another. As we conclude this episode of Star Chat, I urge you all to be mindful of the delicate balance between human progress and environmental preservation. Let us strive to find harmony between our pursuit of knowledge and our responsibility to protect the planet. That's all for today's Star Chat. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. And until next time, remember to keep looking up at the stars.